So this is the get ready with me for my Valentine with this beautiful dress. Let's see what can I do to make me look beautiful. I have already applied the moisturizer, sunscreen and primer, so I will start with concealer. I very rarely use foundation and color corrector, so I'm not going to use that right now. That's for my job only. So I'm going to conceal my under eyes first. Then my shadow zone, of course. Then my mucho wala area, forehead, and nose. This is the foundation brush, but I use it for concealer, like to blend my concealer because it works so well. I'm done with concealer. Now it's time for blush. I'm using liquid blush. I'm very scared of liquid blush because it we need to blend it instantly. Amazing, perfect. I'm done with the basics. For me, makeup is all about concealer and blush and lipstick, but still I will do some eye makeup. First of all, I will correct my brows. Not correct, I will shape my brows. That's it, I guess. For eye makeup, I'm using this palette, and today I'm thinking of something red because when I will create my sari look, I will do golden. Like, this is what I have think. So I will go with red shade today. Now I will apply some golden and like moon dust shimmer on it. Let's see how it looks. Not bad actually. I believe my finger will work better. I want to apply liner, but I'm confused that I should apply black liner or white. I actually love white color, but I believe right now I should go with black one because black is always like black always suits me. That's how it is looking right now. I am actually loving it, but there is something missing. Mascara and inner corners. I want to fill inner corners with the blend of two colors. And usually I just draw a line under my eyes with the color of inner corner. So I'm going to apply this red lipstick of Kate. इस lipstick का तो नाम भी love है. Let's apply this and see the final look. I am loving it. That is looking amazing. I just want to kiss myself. Now I'm going to accessorize this look with my all-time favorite ring and with this beautiful golden neck piece. Start soon. So this is the final look I created and I am loving it. It is looking so beautiful, elegant and classy. The dress and the fit is amazing. The makeup is amazing and the entire look, the person is amazing. Rate this outfit out of 10 and let me know what next you want. Bye bye.